right. Where's the fun in that?
Damn it. Damn it. Damn it.
Whose idea was this?
Shit.
Whose idea was this?
No.
Yo, this was a terrible idea. Dude.
This was a terrible idea.
Yo, this was...
The only way I'm letting you out of those seats is after the ride.
Thank you.
I'm literally trembling right now.
Holy shit, this was a terrible idea.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Damn it, dude.
Damn it, dude, don't scare me like that, please.
He's doing it right now, he's doing it right now.
No, I'm not. Oh, give me 1 second.
This is not funny. This is not funny.
Acho, cabrón.
Acho, cabrón. Acho.
Ay, marico. Best shit I've ever been on. 100%. Oh my god. Que caga, huevón. Dios mío.
Yo, what's good? Marico, nos van a llevar otra vez.
How was the ride?
Oh, it was so
fun.
good.
All right, don't worry, we took video.
It was amazing.
All right, y'all.
Hands on handlebars.
This is
Heads
your
back,
idea.
hands on. This is the world's fastest slingshot. 0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds.
Ooh,
So you gotta
ready?
keep those heads back for us, okay?
We're gonna count to 3
Also,
already.
the second tallest in the world at 394 feet.
Oh my
So
god.
now as you're leaning back looking up, see those towers up there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go 160 feet past them.
You alright, man? Jesus.
Why'd you talk me into this?
I didn't. You
You
talked
said
to
the
everybody.
slingshot.
Because you wanted the fast adrenaline rush, like
Yep.
I said.
That's literally what he said. He was like, I just want the adrenaline rush. He's like, Maddie, you're going on it with me, right? And I'm like, okay, I guess.
I like to call it the butt pucker 3000.
Blood Pucker 3000.
Oh yeah, there's one more thing too.
What's up?
Bye-bye.
Oh my god, we're up. Oh shit, we're coming back down. Holy fuck! Oh my god, that was insane! Ah! Oh my god, we're going back down! Holy shit, where's the ground? Oh!
Keeps going in my fucking mouth.
That wasn't that bad.
Alright?
That wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. You're fine. That was pretty fucking quick. I'm
That
not
was.
gonna lie. That like shot your ass up.
Oh, dude, I had no idea where we
That
were.
was fucking.
I want to see the video because that just did
Feel
not
like I blacked the fuck
register
out.
in my brain.
That was actually really funny.
Oh
I'm pretty sure one of those towers is leaning a little bit too. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god.
That one right there.
I'm glad we're not looking down while they're lowering us down. This is probably the worst
Oh
part.
no, we're not very high right now.
Dude, they just
Look at
stopped.
the ocean,
Why did
though.
you stop?
I don't know, they're gonna sling us up again.
They know that we should like calm down right there. They're like, hold on, we're gonna bring them down slowly.
That was pretty cool, I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
that was
really
insane.
fun. I'm happy that we did
Yeah.
it. My hair is so as soon as we shot up, my necklace went straight into my mouth. I like can't even react because I'm like choking on my beads.
Oh my god. I would have lost it with my fucking necklace. Oh my
Just
god.
fucking knocked your tooth out.
Oh, that was
It
insane,
good.
dude.
The second I went up, my necklace went straight into my mouth.
Oh, well, at least you tried it, huh?
Choking on some beads.
You have no idea where the ground's at when you do that.